If you have a Miracast certified Android or Microsoft Windows device, you can present or mirror what is on your device with the larger display in the room connected to Polycom Trio. Here's how to do it using a Samsung Galaxy and a Surface Pro as examples. On a Samsung Galaxy, go to the Quick Connect menu and select the trio you want to present to. Select the Smart View option to start the pairing process. From a Surface Pro tablet on the right side of the tablet, swipe to the left and connect to the in-room display. Connect to Trio. That's it. It's easy to present content with Miracast and Polycom Trio.